Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: intercooled turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads